So we are going to have a demo session. Okay, so what we learned, we are going to demonstrate. As a part of that, the first program would be print hello world. Vian is going to write the program and you're going to execute the program and you're going to show the results. Yeah, come on, Vian. You can sit here. Okay, so yeah, print hello world. So print is a statement, then we have to use a parenthesis, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, then we can use a double quotes. You can try the double quotes. Yeah, it is shift and this one, okay? Yeah. Then hello world. Hello world. H is a space. Yeah. World. WORLD. Yeah. So what you have to do then? You have to run it. Okay. So give me a minute, give me a minute. Yeah. So he got the output, right? Yeah. Thanks, Vian. Can we give him a big round of applause? Come on, Sean. Sean, come. So what you are going to do, right? I'm just comment this out. So can you write the same things? What we did learn next? Yeah, print with multiple values. Okay. Come on, print. Shift and then this one. Yeah. Double quotes. Use double quotes. Shift here. Yeah. Hello as a separate word, and then world as a separate word. World as a separate word. No, no, no. You're having you are no writing a single word. To have a separate word, what did we learn? Yeah, exactly. Good. Yeah. So I think this is Mac, right? You guys find somewhat difficult. So you can put a comma here. Comma and then quotes shift and yeah. Quick, come on, guys. Quick. Yeah, clap for him. Let's clap for him. Can you run it? Yeah. Good. Thanks, Sean. Yeah. So Sharon, can you come here and demonstrate the hello, how are you with multiple words? Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Let's send clap for her. You can sit. You can sit. Of course, you can sit. Yeah. Nothing. Yeah. Shift. Hello. Space. How are you? Yeah. Comma. Can I get this? Yeah. Hello. How are you? Yeah. Great. Yeah. Thanks, Sharon. Let's give a big round of applause. Yeah. So next, Anusha, can you come here and yeah, can you do the multi-line strings with double quotes? Okay, you can note it down. Okay, this is what thing you have to do. Print and then these things multi-line with no double quotes. Using the double quotes, three double quotes, and then you have to print this line. You have to press enter and then you have to type it. Yeah. Come on, give her a big round of applause. Encourage her. So this multi-line should be in the first line, and statement dot going to the second line, and third line should have this. Okay. Yeah. Come on, cheer up, guys. Yeah. Let's encourage her. Multi-line. Yeah. Multi-line. Multi-line. Then enter line line dot a, then you can enter second. You can write anything like going to second line. Just enter. No, here you press enter. No, there itself. From here you press enter. From here. Yeah, enter. Second line. Just say write second line. Second line. SECOND. Second line. Then enter. Again enter. Third line. That's all. Yeah. Can you run it? Give me a minute. You can sit here. Yeah, I could see that, no? Are you able to see that? This is in a separate line, this is in a separate line, this is in a separate line. Yeah? Give a big round of applause. So Shivani, can you come here? Shivani. Yeah. Yeah. Shivani, the same thing you have to do. Okay, the same thing with single quotes. Instead of she knows she has done, Anusha done double quotes, you can use single quotes. Yeah, come on. Give me a minute, let me comment this out. Sorry. Okay. You can sit, be seated. You can sit, Sean, yeah. So I'm commenting out. Yeah, you can write. Print. You can sit. You're comfortable in standing, okay? Come on, cheer up for her. Yeah, three single quotes. Single quotes means, yeah, this one. Yeah, just no need a shift. Just press, that's alone, yeah. Yeah, one more time. One more time. Press the same quotes, yeah. Just press enter. You can press the return button. Yeah. Now you can type. Go here and type. This is first line. Yeah, multi-line or whatever, yeah. Line. Then press return, enter. Press the return button. Yeah, second line. You can type the second line. Second line. And then third line. You press enter and third line. Yeah. Now can you run it? Yeah, I think I can. Yeah. Good. Come on, got a big round of applause. Yeah. Thanks, Shivani. So can you come, Sushmita? So what do you know? You're going to do the print statement in uppercase. Okay. Yeah. Very easy. Yeah. You can sit and type, no problem. Sorry, give me a minute. Yeah. Print should be in uppercase. No, you have to listen. So how are you doing this, Sean? You have to listen. Come on, cheer up. Good. Yeah, exactly. That's right. Print. No. PRINT should be in capital. Yeah. No, it should be in capital. PRINT. Everything should be in capital. You can get a caps log on. Yeah, I can now type. PRINT. Yeah. Yeah. Quotes. Hello world. Other guys are noting down, right? Don't waste your time. Yeah. Hello world, yeah. Okay. So can you run it? So what we'll get? What error we'll get? Name error, name error. Can you run it? You can just click. Proceed. Look at, yeah, thanks, Sushmita. Give her a big round of applause. Yeah, come on. So what error we are getting? Name error, because print doesn't exist in Python. Yeah. Okay. So let me comment this program out. So yeah, can you come, Sugait, right? Somnath. Yeah, let's welcome Somnath. Give him a big round of applause. You type this print1 hello world. Okay. Yeah, I can type here. You can sit and type also. Come on, cheer up, cheer up. Note down, other guys, note down. Yeah, press enter, enter. Yeah, print. No, I think, no, sorry. I think the caps lock is on. Yeah, okay. Indian, no. You have to write in the next line. Yeah, print one. Print on hello world. Print on hello world. Yeah, what error you will get? Can you guys guess? No. Do you have print on in Python? We don't have print on in Python, right? Then we will get name error. Can you run it? Look at now. Okay. Yeah. So great. Thank you. Give him a big round of applause. And he'll come. Yeah, let's give a big round of applause to Haniel. Haniel, so you type print without parentheses, okay? Print hello world without parentheses. Yeah, come on. Come on, cheer up, cheer up. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Without parentheses, without parentheses. Just quotes, followed by quotes. Yeah. Hello world. Want two L's. Okay, that's fine. That should be fine. You have put three L's. Yeah. Hello. Space world. So can you give us a space here? Here, no? Between T and H, we need a space. No. You have to switch further, come further. Yeah. Okay. Now you can type the word here. So hold on. So before you run, what error you will be getting? Why you will be getting syntax error? Because Python says that you have to pass the text or arguments inside a parenthesis. No, name. No, we haven't run yet. Okay, Hanel, can you run it? Yeah. Syntax error, missing parenthesis in call to print. Okay. Thanks, Hanel. Can you guys give a big round of applause? Come on. So, Ridan, come. So, you have type print 100. Yeah. Very easy. Yeah. Come on. Encourage him. Let's share up for him. Print 100. Print 100. Sorry. We are not passing bracket, right? That's why we are getting, yeah, we have to follow the rules of the Python programming language. Yeah, come on. Good. Thanks, Rizan. Give him a big round of applause. So, can you come next? So you have to print 5 plus 5. Okay. Come on, give him a big round, give him a big round of applause, guys. Cheer up. You can sit and type. 5 plus 5. We don't need to have space. 5 plus 5. Yeah. Shift and yeah. Yeah. Come on, cheer up. Can you run it? 5 plus 5, how much? 10. Thanks, Somnath. Thanks, Sohit. Yeah. Give me a big round of applause, guys. So how is the demo? You guys loved it? So we'll be having this kind of demo, okay, once we complete certain exercises. Yeah.